Hello, welcome to the Webster Plus installation video. In this video we will show you how to install and set up a basic Webster Plus system. Webster Plus includes an installation utility, *Webster/install. This utility can be run either from the PxPlus command mode, or from the IDE in the web deployment section. The installation utility is a simple text-based program that requires the following information: directory in which to create Webster setup, port number to use, and which web server to use, EasyWeb or Apache. The install program will create a directory in which to run Webster. This directory will contain a startup program, used in development, and 4 subdirectories: data, docroot, pages, and prog. Docroot is the root directory for your web server. It generally contains little other than the Webster.pxp program. This is the main program used to launch Webster. The install will have created a basic Webster.pxp program for you. The directory structure and prefixes, set up by the install utility, can be tailored to fit your needs. However, we suggest you avoid placing files under the docroot directory where they may be subject to remote access. If you do change the directory structure, or wish to access data outside of the install directory, make sure to change the prefix settings in both Webster.pxp and the startup program in the main directory. If you selected EasyWeb as your web interface, the installer allows you to specify your SSL or TLS certificate file if you want to use HTTPS. On Windows, it will also create a desktop icon that can be used to launch EasyWeb. If you selected to use an Apache server, the installer will prompt for the website domain name needed by Apache, and will then create UCGI script file and configuration lines to add to your apache.conf file. Once you have set up your system and launched your EasyWeb or Apache server, you should be able to connect to Webster using your server's IP address and port. This should display the Webster default landing page, indicating a successful install. This completes our Webster Plus installation video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Webster Plus training videos.